Hello friends, here in this video I am trying to give you some ideas regarding saving a set file and loading a set file. How we can save a PCG set file. Press the media button. We can see load, save, copy, delete, format, utility. These are all different pages. Here in save page, we can save the whole keyboard content, including we can see what are the contents that will save in this section by opening it. The global content, guitar preset, keyboard set, pad, songbook, sound, style, voice preset. All these things will be saved if you select this all option. On selecting the all folder, press save to button and select the memory. Here I already connected a pen drive, so we can save these contents in KORG disk space. The keyboard already contains a certain amount of memory. We can save this content in the system memory or otherwise an external memory, external USB memory. Here in this USB I have many folders, also a folder named sets. I'm opening the folder. Already 4 set files are saved. If you want to save this new set to this location, select new set and saving this as a new set. Press this new name button, new name area, press the T button and press the clear. It will erase the whole things, otherwise you can delete it individually by this way. I am pressing clear. I am saving it as SAT space 700. Okay, press the OK button. Now pressing OK button, it will ask what you want to save. I am saving the whole materials. You can uncheck these if you want. If you don't want to save the songbook or global data, you can uncheck it. If you want to save the whole things, check all the icons. Now press OK. It will give a warning message. Press yes. It is saving the whole content as a set file. Set in the name SAT 700. We can view that content in this load page. Press the disk. It is saved in we have saved in USB. Select the set folder, open it. It is here, SAT 700. It is saved in this location. If you want to load a different set file, we have an option for loading. Here in this I have already saved a PA700 GJ Systems PA700, Stalin's PA700, SAT 700 set that I have already saved previously. Okay, now I am loading this GJ Systems PA700 set. Select that set and press the load button. On pressing, it will give a warning message. Press the yes button. On pressing that yes button, it will load the content. If you want to delete a file, come to delete. Select the disk where the file is located, selecting the KORG disk. I don't want this SAT 700 now. I am deleting that. Okay, select the file. Now press delete. On pressing yes, it will delete the whole content. Now I'm not deleting it actually, just giving you idea regarding that. You can also copy content from USB. In USB there are many datas. I'm going to sets folder, opening it. I am copying this PA600 forging.set file. Copy to where you want to copy. I'm copying to KORG disk space, KORG disk. This area I am going to copy. Press the copy button. It will give warning message. Press yes. It will copy the whole content from the USB memory to the keyboard memory. In format, pressing the execute button, KORG disk will be formatted. If you select USB and press the execute button, it will format the USB disk. Okay, now we are coming back to the save option. On pressing all, it will save the whole content. We can open it and we can see different items are there. If you want to save style only, press the style button and save to where you want to save. I want to save in disk as a new set. Give the name style STY. Okay. Yes. On coming here in KORG disk space STY.set, on opening it you can see style only. The other things we cannot see the other items because we only saved the style. Crossing in these sets we can see on opening it we have saved the whole content, so we can see the whole content like this: voice preset, style, sound, PCM, memory, etc. All these items will be saved if we save by pressing this all option. Otherwise we can also, there is an option for saving individual items. If you want to save voice presets only, you can save it individually. Otherwise style, sound, likewise. If you want to save individual style only, style folder only, then this is a user 12 style folder. I want to save it. Save to disk. I am saving above this. Save as a new set. Okay, I am saving it as a new set. Press clear button. STY1. Okay. It will ask where you want to save. Okay. On okay. Okay. Now when we come back, you can see this STY1 file. Opening it, you can see the style. Open it, you can see user 12 style only save. But before that we have saved STY only. Opening it, you can see style only. Opening it, you can see all user styles are copied, but in this STY1 only one user is saved. Likewise, we can individually save the contents. Likewise, we can also have options for loading individual items. I want to load individual items from other set. In this set I have a PA900 set, SAT PA900 set. I'm opening it. I want to load a sound from this PCG to the current PCG that I have loaded in this keyboard. I'm just coming to the tone area, sound area, user. You can see many more sounds. In user 3, user 2, there we can see only grand piano, the others are all empty. I am trying to save an individual sound to this location. Just come back to media. Just come back to media and select the drive, select the folder, select the set, select sound, select the .pcg folder. I'm opening user one, open. I'm just searching for a sound. I'm going to load this violin EXI. Now load. It will ask where to save. I am selecting the location as sound 2, page 1 in this area. Press exit and OK. Warning message. OK, yes. Now come back to here. You can see the user area sound 2. Here it was blank. Now it is loaded with the violin EXI tone. Okay, likewise we can load individual contents from it. Just trying to load this sound 2. Load, select sound 2, this area. Okay, yes, it is loading, showing an error message because tones in this folder is multi-sampled and it is encrypted file. It is an encrypted file, so we cannot load as easily as possible. But how this violin is loaded, because this violin uses the inbuilt sample in the keyboard, so it was sounded properly. Likewise, I am trying to say we can also load individual styles. I am trying to load a style from user 1. Open a national anthem. We can see selecting the style select here in user area. Here it is empty. I am trying to load this one to that empty area. Load. Where you want to load? I want to load in user 6, this empty area. Press OK. Are you sure? Yes. Now we can see national anthem. Its style is loaded here. Just play. Yeah, it's playing. Yeah, fine. But this is also not possible for all kinds of rhythms, because if you load this bhajan to this blank area, I am trying to load. Select style, select bhajan. It is not playing properly because these tracks can be seen user. These tracks are different in this PCG. In this PCG, those tones are different. Because of that, we cannot hear these these rhythms properly. But how this national anthem played properly is because the tones that used in this style is already inbuilt tones, already inbuilt factory tones, common tones. So we can play this style very easily. But this bhajan uses different, not inbuilt, it's user. So in this area, in other PCG, there is another tone has to play. Because of the absence of that tone, it is not playing properly. We can do it by loading, by finding which tone is used in that rhythm and load that individual tone in a specific location. Select that particular tone. Selecting that particular tone only, it will play properly. I will give an idea regarding that in another session. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please click the bell button so that you can get the new updates of my video. All the best. God bless you all.